Hey, what's up guys? Today we are making Sambal Oelek. Sambal Oelek is one of the simplest, yet also one of the most essential chili pastes in any spicy food lover's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it and also show you why you need it. So, all right, let's do it. All right guys, I got my station all set up. So how to make Sambal Oelek. The primary ingredient for Sambal Oelek, or really any sambal, is chili peppers. So this is an Indonesian recipe. Sambal Oelek is an Indonesian chili paste or sauce. Sambal refers to a sauce or a paste that is made with chilies. And Oelek refers to the mortar and pestle, which is what you use to traditionally make it. And we'll talk about that in a bit. But if you are in Indonesia or thereabouts, you'll be using more local peppers. But really, you can use any chilies for this, and I'm using a bunch of Fresno peppers, which are about jalapeno heat. And I grabbed this guy from my garden. This is a Italian Corno di Toro. No heat really, but just lots of body and flavor to it. And which also just goes to illustrate you could make this with any chilies. I mean, it's really up to you. So the first thing you want to do is remove the stems from your chilies, like so. And it's really up to you if you want to remove the innards of your chilies. Some people find the seeds to be a bit bitter when you're making a paste, but also all the heat is on the inside, the pithy stuff, not the seeds. There's no heat in the seeds, but when you remove the seeds, you tend to remove the heat with the pithy interior. So it's really up to you. It's your call. I usually don't. And you can just give it a rough chop if you want to here. Oh, quick thing regarding the peppers. This is 1 pound of chilies. It helps to get yourself a kitchen scale. This is like a cheap yet pretty awesome model from Amazon that I use. People ask me all the time, like, Mike, how many peppers or this kind of peppers are in a pound? I mean, it really varies. I mean, you can see sizes vary, depends on the type of peppers that you're using. And even with particular chilies, like some are bigger than others. So, you know, it really helps to have a scale. All right, just giving a super rough chop here. And let me get my blender. All right, I got my blender set up here. And you could use your mortar and pestle, maybe a bigger one than this, and be totally awesome. But I'm going to be a different kind of awesome today and use my amazing blender. It just makes it that much easier. And you only need 3 primary ingredients really to make Sambal Oelek. You need chilies, so here's 1 pound of chilies. And you need vinegar. Here I have rice vinegar, and I've got 2 tablespoons. And salt. I've got 1 tablespoon of salt. And realistically, that is how simple this whole recipe is. Really just, I consider it's an ingredient, something that I use constantly in the kitchen. We'll talk about that in a bit. But I do like to add a few other little things to it. I've got 2 more pieces here. I have garlic, some fresh garlic, 3 cloves, and some lime juice. I've just got a teaspoon here for flavoring and extra acidity, but lemon juice is good too. And gonna go ahead and process this into a paste. Boom, check it out. Wow, look at that. This blender rocks, I'm telling you, man. Getting the fumes. Watch out for the fumes, my friends. I love it anyway. All right, seriously, this blender, it's a Vitamix. It rocks. All right, check it out, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful paste right here. Let's check it out what it looks like. Dude, this is awesome. Seriously. All right, let me get this moved over to a bowl. Here it is. You guys can see that I have right about 2 cups or so of Sambal Oelek. It's really that easy, and it's a raw sambal or raw chili paste. There's no cooking involved, so it really is that easy. But next, let's talk about why you need this recipe. All right, one primary reason that you need this is because Sambal Oelek is a beautiful, perfect, powerful flavor bomb. This will add so much flavor to so many dishes. You can use this, swirl it into soups and stews. You can use it a bit like a sofrito, cooking it down with all your peppers and onions and other ingredients for a beautiful flavor base. You can also use this as a starter to make other sambals and other sauces. You just add other ingredients and process it all together and then simmer. Massive, massive flavor, and it's extremely versatile. Here's an example. I make hot sauces from this all the time. I can add just a little bit more vinegar and or citrus or liquid, process it up, simmer it, and you've got some amazing, easy to make hot sauces. It's perfect. Also think dishes like spicy stir fries, spicy noodles, curries, and so much more. Also versatility. You can make those with any chili peppers, which is awesome. If you wanted to get crazy and make this only with like pure habaneros, ghost peppers, scorpions, or 7-pots, you can make a really, really fantastically hot version of this for dishes like super hot sauce or something like fall curry. Yo, yum. Also, preservation. You can easily make Sambal Oelek and it'll last a long time in the fridge. And also in the freezer, you can freeze it. It freezes perfectly. And what I like to do, since my harvest is popping out of the garden right now and it comes in little drabbles, so I get like a little bit here, a little bit there, you can make small batches of Sambal Oelek and combine them all later and mix it all together into one big giant batch and then break it down and freeze it or just keep it in there in small containers and it lasts a long time. That's it, my friends. Nice and simple. That is how you make Sambal Oelek. I'd love to hear what you think of the recipe in the comments below. If you're looking for some more amazing recipes, I know you are. Boom and boom right here. Woohoo! Let's see what that is. I want both of these. But also I'd love to hear in the comments what sorts of peppers you're using and what are your favorite dishes to use with Sambal Oelek. So, all right guys, I can't wait to see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.